SAP SD, Salesforce, data analytics, AI. Which one should I go for? So I get several questions on this topic every single day. People ask me, sir, which one should I go for? What is trending? Which one will give me high salary? Which one give me highest growth? So you're asking a wrong question. Don't choose a career just because something is trendy. See, you are not choosing a course here. You are choosing a life for next 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. You're choosing a career. Now the biggest mistake people do is, while choosing a career, they first look at salary trends, they look at opportunities, they get influenced by the trends which are happening on YouTube, right? Insta hacks, insta reels, and their friends, family, someone suggested them, okay, somebody got somebody learned SAP, they got a job. Somebody learned Salesforce, they got a job. So when you are following some other's path, you are just following their destination. That's not your destination, right? So that's completely a wrong way of identifying, choosing a path. So remember this. I've made some notes, hence I'm trying to help you understand how exactly this helps. So if you go with this trends, if you go with this boom, remember in the past we had Java boom, .NET boom, right? Data science boom, right? Now what happened to those careers? They are stuck now. Don't make any choice based on the trends, based on getting influenced by the noise around social media, because social media is making a noise. Oh, AI is everywhere. AI is a career. So what should you do? Stop comparing with all this. So what should you care actually about is understand what actually each technology does at the company. Let's say the company is having three different platforms, right? Imagine a customer complaints are increasing, orders are blocked, right? Deliveries are getting delayed, and then the customer complaints are increasing. What exactly a data analyst does? So data analyst will start analyzing the identifying the patterns, right? Check the trends, and he'll try to find the insights of the data to understand what is happening with orders for last certain period, right? What exactly are the issues that constantly companies are facing? So they'll try to understand the patterns of the data. So that's all about the data analyst. And what does a Salesforce consultant do? So a Salesforce consultant will understand a journey of a customer, right? How exactly the journey of a customer, starting from leads to quotes to orders. So it's all about the customer relationships, and finally about the sales process. That's how Salesforce no role would look like. When it comes to SAP, it's completely different. So here you are asking, what is really stopping this business to sell and get paid from the customers, right? What are the challenges that they are facing at no order creation? So what kind of challenge that they have at the delivery level, or why the invoices are getting delayed, why the invoices are not getting generated, right? Why, how is it impacting the cash flow, right? If you see, another thing is AI. So what exactly AI is helping you? AI is helping to kind of bring personalization to the business process, right? uh, Eliminating the manual work, right? So replacing the traditional work that has been done, right? So if you are someone who really wants to uh, the, build your career in any of these streams, don't check what is trending. Don't check what is trending. So ask this question. Out of this, if you see, all these are solving different problems of the business. They're not solving one problem. All are solving different problems. What should you understand is, it's not about which one is trendy. So ask yourself, which one do I really enjoy doing? Do I really enjoy doing data analysis, understanding the patterns of the data for next 5 years, 10 years, 15 years? Do I really enjoy working on customer relationships, understanding the customer problems, lead sales processes, right? Or do I really enjoy helping businesses to grow their revenue, optimize their order to cash process? Or do I really enjoy connecting with the latest trends and not bringing all optimal, personalizations, optimizations, or working with different tools, building AI agents, building agents which can automate the work? Do you love really kind of analyzing the data, and then creating, so giving suggestions to AI, and finding out best way of triggering the solutions? Then then you need to choose the path, right? You have to choose the path that helps you that comes naturally to you, in short, right? So hence find out the path which can get you there, right? Don't just work on the trends. So if you are someone who really wants to build your career in SAP, then this is the space, this is the right space for you, right? So there, here, what we will do is we'll not just help you to complete the course, right? Another important thing which I keep telling to my students is don't just rest behind completing the course, right? Understand the outcomes of it, whether it is Salesforce, data analytics, SAP, or AI. What really is the outcome that you are that you can generate by learning this course. So many institutions outside, they are just helping you with course completions, completing the chapters, completing the assignments. Very few institutions are teaching you what exactly is the outcome of it. How do you convert this learning into a skill that can help you to get employed, right? So hence, work towards how can you convert this skill, this knowledge into a skill that companies value for, right? So focus towards that, and you will definitely have a bright career towards the path that you, whatever the path that you choose, and choose the path that you enjoy doing it for next 10, 15 years, right? If you are someone who wants to build your career in the SAP space, in the era of AI, where you want to, or you don't want to just become a course completer, but want to build a skill that companies value for, and you want to become a person who creates real business impact, then this is the right space for you. Please do subscribe to my channel, and wait for more videos where I guide you how to build the mindset of a consultant, not just a learner, uh, who gets more value in today's AI era, right? See you in my next video for more exciting learnings.